Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video very stylish and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women. Many much more stylish ideas of low maintenance hairstyling with beautiful haircut, very attractive and stylish eye-catching hair dye. Overall ideas, latest and trendy. I hope you like it. Different ideas of haircut in low maintenance. So beautiful collection of pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut. Some ideas layered, some ideas in step. And so beautiful ideas of hair dye. Blonde hair dye, burgundy hair dye, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color. Some ideas in funky colors and so beautiful ideas of highlights. Highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors, and so beautiful ideas of hairstyling. Fine hairstyle, wavy curly hairstyling, and very beautiful ideas of spiky hairstyle. Mostly ideas in low maintenance hairstyling, spiky and messy hairstyle. But in today's my collection, some ideas fine hairstyle and some ideas too short and too small wave and curl on hair. And many much more latest ideas. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this. And if you try it, I hope you look very stylish and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help. So I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll dive back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.